Hello engineers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cracking the code for the Kerala PSC Engineering Assistant exam with a dive into estimation, surveying and measurements. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, share it with your study circle and comment below with which subject you want us to cover next. Let's get started. Traverse in which last point meets exactly with first point is open traverse, closed traverse, triangulation, tie traverse. Answer is closed traverse. The most accurate type of estimate is cubic rate estimate, approximate estimate, detailed estimate, plinth area estimate. Answer is detailed estimate. Radius of gyration is defined as 1 divided by a the square root of I divided by a divided by I the square root of a divided by I. Answer is the square root of I divided by a. Benchmark is established by Survey of India, Municipal Office, Contractor, Architect. Answer is Survey of India. In plane table surveying, the method of orientation is compass method, backsighting, resection, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. For wall plastering, deductions are not made for small openings less than 0.5 square meters, doors, windows, niches. Answer is small openings less than 8 square meters. The accuracy of chain survey depends mainly on weather, slope, ranging, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Unit of measurement for brickwork is square meters, cubic meters, meter, number. Answer is cubic meters. The method that is used to remove local attraction error. Orientation, back check, comparing fore bearing and back bearing. Two peg test. Answer is comparing fore bearing and back bearing. The trapezoidal rule is used for earthwork estimate in irregular boundary, foundation dimension, RCC estimate, wood estimate. Answer is earthwork estimate in irregular boundary. Dip of magnetic needle is 0 at magnetic equator, poles 60 degrees latitude, tropics. Answer is magnetic equator. Scrap value considered in estimate is salvage value, depreciation, original cost, net present value. Answer is salvage value. The document that shows item-wise quantity and cost is called estimate, abstract of cost, BOQ ready list. Answer is BOQ. The fundamental line in chaining is baseline, check line, tie line, offset line. Answer is baseline. Angle of friction is sine mu, inverse tangent of mu cosine mu, mu divided by 2. Answer is inverse tangent of mu. The friction force acting just before the motion is called Static friction, dynamic friction, limiting friction, rolling friction. Answer is limiting friction. The process of writing specifications is mainly needed for sketching, rate analysis, estimation only, DPR preparation. Answer is RAT analysis. In rate analysis, the biggest component is usually labor, materials, overheads, water charges. Answer is materials. Parallel axis theorem for moment of inertia is I equals I sub g plus am squared. I equals mga. I equals I sub g minus am squared. I equals a divided by m. Answer is I equals I sub g plus am squared. Polar moment of inertia of a solid circular section is pi r cube divided by 2 pi r to the 4th power divided by 2 pi r divided by 4 2 pi r to the 4th power. Answer is pi r to the 4th power divided by 2. RAT analysis determines total cost, cost per unit item, only material cost, labor only. Answer is cost per unit item. The most economical thickness of a brick wall for single-story building is 100 millimeters, 150 millimeters, 230 millimeters, 350 millimeters. Answer is 230 millimeters. Contingencies in estimate is usually 1%, 3 to 5%, 10 to 15%, 20%. Answer is 3 to 5%. Staff reading on a point is high when staff is tilted, distance is long, point is low, level is low. Answer is point is low. Temporary adjustment of dumpy level includes centering, leveling and focusing, index error correction, collimation adjustment, axis fixing. Answer is centering, leveling, focusing. The cost of formwork is usually included in concrete rate. Answer is concrete rate. The rate of labor is taken from market survey, contractor list, schedule of rates, police records. Answer is schedule of rates. Coefficient of friction is defined as F divided by Nn divided by Ff times Nf minus N. Answer is F divided by N. That's it for today's session. We've covered the essentials, but the grind doesn't stop here. Want to subscribe for more high impact PSC prep? Happy studying!